Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited today to be playing with the new Birthstone palette for December from BH Cosmetics. Cannot wait to show you how I put together this beautiful look. I picked up a liner, I picked up a new brow pencil. We are going to have some fun. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching. We are starting with these brows. While I was picking up the December palette, so sad, this is like my second to last video I'm going to be able to do with these Birthstone palettes unless they remain available and we continue playing with them. I would love that. But while I was on BH's website, I saw a brow designer pencil that I thought I'd pick up. They were having a huge sale, so I picked up a lot of fun things. I've never tried BH's brow pencil. I picked it up in the shade dark brown. This is what the pencil side looks like, which looks very promising, nice and precise. We have a spoolie on the other side, so that is great. I have very much been enjoying my e.l.f. brow setter, I believe it's called. What is it called? Brow lift. I still do my soap brow on the daily, but I have also been enjoying this new one from e.l.f. that I recently picked up. And I've changed my brow routine a little bit, whereas I used to set it first and then use the pencil. Now I'm using the pencil and setting it with the gel. So let's go ahead and test out this brow pencil. I like it. Not super pigmented. You do have to build it up a little bit, but it did a nice job. Go ahead and do the other side for you. Sisters, not twins. I think it's very nice. I typically prefer a little bit more of a pigmented pencil, but I believe that a lot of people prefer one that you can build up. So will I use this? Absolutely. Let's go ahead and set it with the e.l.f. brow lift. Very much enjoying this. I've only used it a handful of times, but I have liked it. They do have a brush on their website. This is just an old one from Morphe that I had. So you just dip it into this sticky clear gel and set. Doesn't seem to mess up the work that I've just done on my brow. And you can press it down if you want it a little more laminated, but I'm enjoying a thicker, fluffier brow look these days, and this is great. It is not stiff, lasts until the end of the day. I just wipe this spoolie off when I'm done with it to keep it free of gunking up with product, and you are good to go. Here is the December Turquoise palette. So excited to have it. So sad that it arrived a little bit broken. But what I did was this one had a crack and this one was shattered. I've reached out to customer service. We'll see what they do. But I did press these two back in. FYI, I also picked up the Emerald palette because it was on sale, and I just watched another review and she was ranking her favorites, which I do plan on doing, and this was in there. Let me go ahead and throw some swatches on my arm for you. Okay, from bottom to top, we have turquoise on the bottom. That is the biggest shade. Then we have influential, good vibes, ambitious, friendly, that pretty gold is wise, and then that pressed glitter is wild thing. Beautiful. Wild thing is amazing. If you're not into pressed glitters, that's a shame because this is beautiful. Probably messy, definitely worth it. Let's jump into this. I'm going in with an e.l.f. detail crease brush. I'm going to go in with this Friendly just in the crease, just to map out and make those deeper colors blend easier. So we're just going to start this base. It's just a great transition shade. It's a pretty peach. Very nice. I'm going to take this Units brush, and this is the 209, and I'm going to go into Good Vibes right here. This is the matte turquoise, and we're going to go deep into this crease. Very pretty. I'm going to leave it tight in the crease because we're probably going to go in with the same shade of shimmer in there. I love it. Now you could go with the gold on the crease to tone it down. I want to try the main shade of the palette, which is this turquoise shade, and I'm going to throw this all over the lid. Thrilled. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I do want to deepen that outer corner a little bit with Ambitious, another one of the unit brushes that I got from Beautylish. This is stunning. I absolutely love it. If we wanted to tone down the look, I think what I would do is take Ambitious on the lower lash line, and that is what I'm going to do. Now I want to take that matte Good Vibes turquoise shade and just go a little bit above. And then I'm going to go back into that original Friendly and go above that. So are you a December baby? Are you drawn to these colors? Or are these not your shades at all? I think they're beautiful. Let me throw some lashes and liner on, and I will be back with my final thoughts. I threw on some liner, mascara, and lashes. The liquid liner is this one from Luna Liner. I just got this from Boxycharm. If you haven't seen my December Boxycharm, I will make sure it's linked in the description box, but I'm really enjoying this liner. It's very nice. I also threw on some It Cosmetics mascara and some lashes, also from Boxycharm. This is the Camara Aunique Beauty lashes, and the lash glue I used was from AOA, so that was $1. Love that AOA. And oh, the white liner. I threw some white liner in my waterline, and I also picked that up from BH. You know I love their power pencil. I have it in black, I have it in cream. They had white on sale, so I grabbed that as well. That is a little hack to help you look much more awake, bigger eyes. So ultimately, what did I think of the December BH palette? I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the turquoise and the brown. I watched another review where she was sad that there wasn't a black in there, and while I would appreciate the black because it sort of pulls in with the turquoise look, I think that the dark brown did a nice job of giving the palette the depth that I personally look for. You could use that brown as a liner if you wanted a softer look. I love that you get a matte and a shimmer turquoise in it. And I didn't even play with that pressed glitter, but that is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see another look, let me know. Wait for it, because I am going to be ranking the palettes that I have from the Birthstone collection from BH. I have a lot of the palettes. There were a couple that just did not speak to me, and I'll go into detail about that why when I do that video. If you go to BH's website, make sure that you sign up for emails because they have great sales. Some of my favorite things from BH obviously are their eyeshadows. Specifically, I love these Birthstone palettes. The blush palettes are really nice. I had one, I gave it to my mother because it was a nice 4 set of blushes. I love their power pencil for the eyes. I very much enjoyed the brow pencil. Did a great job, and I'm telling you, I think I paid maybe $5 or less. Hopefully they will help me with the broken palettes, and it's just such a bummer when you get a palette that's broken. But anyway, if you enjoyed this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. I would love that. I do videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, so make sure when you hit that subscribe button that you hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified when I have a new upload. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, let me know if you have checked out my playlist for the BH Birthstone palettes and which one is your favorite. I would love to hear it, and stay tuned because a ranking video is coming for these palettes. Have a great day. I will see you soon.